Hello, my name is Hallie Marion, and today I will be discussing Joseph Schumpeter, creative destruction, and implications with those concepts. So first, I just want to give a little bit of background information on Joseph Schumpeter. So in 1883, he was born in the Czech Republic, where he studied economics and had a wide arrangement of jobs until he relocated to the United States and became a professor at Harvard in 1932. He was also the first immigrant to ever become president of the American Economic Association in 1947, and he was a very influential economist, and his views influenced a lot of ideas that we still use today. So, one of his most famous works was called Creative Destruction, and this is defined as the dismantling of long standing practices in order to make way for innovation. So basically, this is taking a concept of an industry and completely altering it and changing it and essentially destroying the old way of doing it to make way for creative and a new way of doing it. So, an example of this would be the railroads, the internet, and Netflix. So, while there's a lot of good that comes from creative destruction, there are also some implications that can be created for entrepreneurs and organizational change. So, since things are going to be changing in an organization, entrepreneurs might have the struggle of trying to keep up with all of those changes because it takes a lot of time and money to make those changes and takes a lot of time and money to put together an idea of a business. So they might not have the time to make those changes necessary. It also may discourage some entrepreneurs from entering the market in general. For organizational change, kind of like the same concept there, it takes a lot of time, money, and resources to even make an organizational change, and training and structure and technology would all be affected and have to change as well. And I know, myself included, a lot of people don't like change, and this could create some negative effects on the organization from the employees having to change the way things have been already done. So, in conclusion, Joseph Schumpeter has been a revolutionary economist, and his theory of creative destruction has influenced a lot of concepts today. But with that change from the old to the new, it causes some problems for entrepreneurs and organizational change in general because it is expensive, it takes time and resources, and it just can be hard to keep up with in general. Thank you for watching my presentation, and here are my references.